We continue to crochet the keychain. We've already made the head, and now let's make hands and legs. Make a magic loop and 6 single crochets into it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull the thread, a slip stitch in the first loop and a chain. In the second round we make 6 increases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Change the color. Make a slip stitch and a chain. And in the next round we make 12 single crochets without changing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A slip stitch and chain. Cut the white thread, and in the next round we make 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 3 decreases. 1, 2, 3, and 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3. A slip stitch and a chain. And in the last round we make 9 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A slip stitch, a chain, and leave the long end of the thread to sew the legs to the body. Add fiber fill and make the second leg in the same way. And now let's make hands. A magic loop 6 single crochets into it, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull the thread, a slip stitch and a chain. In the second round we make increase, 1 single crochet, increase, 1 single crochet, increase, and 1 single crochet. Change the color, make a slip stitch and a chain. And in the next round we make 9 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A slip stitch and a chain. Cut the white thread, and in the next round we make 1 decrease, 1 single crochet, 2, 3, decrease, and single crochets till the end of the round. A slip stitch and a chain. In the next round we make 8 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A slip stitch, a chain, and add fiber fill. Now we fold the detail in half and make 4 single crochets through the opposite loops. 1, 2, 3, and 4. A chain and leave the long end of the thread to sew the hands to the body. And make the second hand in the same way. See you in the next part to make the body.